Hello, this is Hari speaking. Hello, this is Hari speaking. Use this when answering a professional phone call. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Use this at the beginning of a virtual meeting. I think you're on mute. I think you're on mute. Use this when someone is speaking but their microphone is muted. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Use this when you didn't hear or understand something. The audio is breaking up. The audio is breaking up. Use this when someone's voice is unclear during a call. I'll share my screen now. I'll share my screen now. Use this before presenting your screen in a virtual meeting. Let's wait for everyone to join. Let's wait for everyone to join. Use this before starting an online meeting. I'll send the meeting link. I'll send the meeting link. Use this when sharing access to a virtual meeting. Can we start the meeting? Can we start the meeting? Use this when everyone is ready to begin. I'll take notes during the meeting. I'll take notes during the meeting. Use this when you're responsible for recording meeting points. Let's review today's agenda. Let's review today's agenda. Use this when introducing the meeting topics. Could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? Use this when asking for more clarification. That's clear, thank you. That's clear, thank you. Use this after receiving a clear explanation. Let's stay on topic. Let's stay on topic. Use this when the discussion moves away from the agenda. I'll follow up after the meeting. I'll follow up after the meeting. Use this when planning the next communication. Please send me the meeting minutes. Please send me the meeting minutes. Use this when requesting the meeting summary. I'll email the action items. I'll email the action items. Use this when sending tasks after the meeting. Thank you for your valuable input. Thank you for your valuable input. Use this when appreciating participants' contributions. Is there anything else to discuss? Is there anything else to discuss? Use this before ending the meeting. Let's schedule our next meeting. Let's schedule our next meeting. Use this when planning the next discussion. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your time today. Use this when closing the meeting professionally. It was great speaking with you. It was great speaking with you. Use this at the end of a phone call or virtual meeting. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your day. Use this as a polite closing. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Use this when ending a meeting. See you at the next meeting. See you at the next meeting. Use this when saying goodbye and looking forward to the next discussion.